Osso Buco from the kitchen of Cooking Ina. So imagine that, mga Cooking Ina and everyone, I am a Filipina living here in Sweden making the recipe from the country of Italy. Very good, very Italian. You know, Italian food is very good, mga Cooking Ina and everyone, right? Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. Everybody is welcome to joining me here in my kitchen making this recipe called Osso Buco. The ingredients we need for this recipe are procedure is, now let's start. Season the beef shank with salt and pepper. Coat the beef with flour. Melt butter in heated frying pan in medium-high heat. We fry until we have a nice brown surface on both sides of our beef shank. Set the beef aside and heat a pressure cooker or deep pot for the next stage. Add olive oil, and add onions. We add our garlic, for our mushrooms. Add carrots, bay leaves, and add parsley. We add tomato paste, and crushed tomatoes. Pour in the red wine. Add salt, and now we add our chicken stock. Boil for a few minutes. It's time to add the beef shank. I am using a pressure cooker. You can also boil this in a regular pot until the meat is tender. Close pressure cooker and boil for 30 minutes so that our beef shank will be tender. Our Osso Buco is ready for plating. Let's garnish with parsley leaves. Now, here is our Osso Buco recipe made in the kitchen of cooking Ina Siargao. Thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen while we're preparing this dish. Hope you will try this recipe in your kitchen as well for your family, mga cooking ina and everyone. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notifications. Bye! God bless everyone!